When I click on the scheduling module, I'll be able to see the calendar, and if any students have scheduled it, I'll be able to see their name in orange. If I click on their name, I'm able to see the appointment type, the date and time. I can confirm it, I can reschedule, or I can remove or deny. If I confirm, they will get an email. I can also reschedule. This will take me back to the calendar and I can just select a different time. Okay, I can go back and click on his name. I can add notes. These are just internal notes that are not sent. I can mark if the student was attended, yes or no. This will have no logic effect, but can be used for reporting purposes. If the student had more than one appointment, I can look at all appointments and see them in a list and then be able to view them separately if needed. If they are confirmed, it'll have a green check mark, so I can go ahead and look at that. I confirmed it, so if I go to all appointments, I'm seeing that it is confirmed. I then am able to export the schedule, so it'll just give me a Excel formatted version of any appointments that are scheduled, the name of the student, and anything else that is needed. I can manage appointments. This will show me all the appointments that are currently in the system. I can add a new appointment, edit an appointment. So if I click on edit, I can edit the name, email notifications to. This can be used to send an email to an administrator every time an appointment is scheduled for that specific appointment type. I can set the time slots from, so if I'm only having time slots available from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., I can make that change here. This will show me how often appointments are available to be scheduled and the appointment length as well. Single appointment per student. This will only allow the student to be able to schedule that appointment type once. So if this appointment type can be used for several programs, if the student applies to multiple programs that all need the same kind of audition, this allows them to only be able to schedule that once. If this is unchecked, then they can select and schedule it more than once based on their applications. Allow family scheduling. If that is checked off, then only a parent is able to schedule that appointment type once across all students. And then just a description, if needed, you're able to fill that in. Program availability, this can be selected to only show for a specific program, and then you can save. Then I can select time slots. If I select time slots, this allows me to add or remove time slots. So I'm able to see if I go back or if I go forward to the month that we are in. I'm able to see all the time slots there. I can add additional time slots, or I can remove slots. I can also add as many as I needed. So say if I wanted to add 5 to the already 1 existing, now I'll have 6 time slots. So 6 students can be scheduled during this time. I can also remove it, say for 2, and then I'll see 4 time slots available. So you can easily manage how many there are. If I go into the applications module and say look for Kyle Miller, I'm able to edit. I can see his appointment right here. If I needed to add another appointment, I can do so the same way through his application by selecting the program and the appointment type. I can see all his appointments, and then I'll show on his appointment step in the application, it shows that the date and time as well.